Let's learn about more sounds of A. The sound of A is different in these words. Repeat them after your teacher. B-A-R bar, C-A-R car, F-A-R far, J-A-R jar, W-A-R war, W-A-S was. Here A sound A, A. B-A-Y bay, D-A-Y day, H-A-Y hay, L-A-Y lay, M-A-Y may, P-A-Y pay, R-A-Y ray, S-A-Y say, W-A-Y way. Here A sound A. So here we have learned A and A sound. Match the picture to the correct word. This is tap. The correct word is T-A-P, tap. This is hat. The correct word is H-A-T, hat. This is bag. The correct word is B-A-G, bag. This is can. The correct word is C-A-N, can. This is bat. The correct word is B-A-T, bat. This is rag. The correct word is R-A-G, rag. This is cap. The correct word is C-A-P, cap. This is fan. The correct word is F-A-N, fan. Next question is complete the crosswords with the help of pictures. See the first example. The boy is sad. S-A-D, sad. This is pad. P-A-D, pad. This is cap. Now see the arrow, children. We have to write the word in this direction. C-A-P, cap. This is tap. Now see the arrow, students. We have to write the name tap in this direction. T-A-P, tap. Cap, tap. This is rat. We have to write the name rat in this direction. R-A-T, rat. This is bat. Now see the arrow. We have to write the name bat in this direction. B-A-T, bat. Rat, bat. This is bag. Now see the arrow, students. Write the name bag in this direction. B-A-G, bag. This is tag. Write the name tag in this direction. T-A-G, tag. Bag, tag. This is jam. The arrow is pointing down. So write the name jam in this direction. J-A-M, jam. This is yum. Write the name yum in this direction. See the arrow, students. Y-A-M, yum. Jam, yum. This is van. Now see the arrow, students. The arrow is pointing down. So write the name van in this direction. V-A-N, van. This is man. Write the name man in this direction. M A N, man. Van, man.